Reggae artist Jacure has been sentenced to 6 years in prison for attempted manslaughter. The artist's verdict was handed down early today after the Court of Amsterdam rejected his claim of self-defense. Jacure was detained in the Netherlands for a stabbing incident involving him and a promoter, which occurred in Dam Square on October 1 last year. During a public hearing on March 8, the prosecutor stated that Jacure's actions prior to the stabbing showed it was premeditated and he intended to cause harm to Blake. Jacure has been sentenced to 6 years with credit for time served for attempted manslaughter. Jacure and his legal team can appeal the court ruling within 2 weeks. Dancehall artist Shensia's debut album Alpha has reached another massive milestone. The album debuted at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart today. The last female Jamaican to enter the top 5 of the Reggae Albums chart was Coffee, with her Rapture EP, which peaked at number 1 back in 2019. Alpha has also debuted at number 3 on the Billboard Heatseekers Albums charts, which highlights and ranks the sales by new and developing musical recording artists each week. The album, which was released via Rich Immigrants and Interscope Records on March 11, sold 4,900 units from sales and streaming in the United States. Alpha is Shensia's first album featuring international rappers Megan Thee Stallion, Tyga, 21 Savage, Offset, and dancehall artists Beenie Man and Sean Paul. Legendary dancehall artist Sister Nancy is currently in Australia for a 4-concert series dubbed Sister Nancy Queen of Dancehall. The series began March 18 at the Red Rattler in Sydney and saw the Bam Bam singer performing alongside Legal Shot Sound System from France. Sister Nancy announced her arrival down under in an Instagram post and noted that she had spent the entire day traveling to the country. The concert continues on March 24 at the Mullum Civic Memorial Hall and concludes on Friday at Transit Bar. Sister Nancy is known for the iconic single Bam Bam, which is a remake of Toots and the Maytals' 1966 winning festival song. Her version is the most sampled Jamaican song of all time, having been sampled more than 80 times across the globe. I'm Deidre Ann Gordon reporting for E! Prime.